Hi, this is Tim. Today I want to get your input on an HMI series that we're working on building out. For this, we're going to be using the Allen Bradley PanelView 800 HMI, but I'm going to try to make it where the principles can easily be transferred from different ones. So, I'm going to go through, how to configure communications, basics of creating tags. We're going to be interfacing with PowerFlex 525, Micro 820 PLC, compact logics, probably the control logics there, and maybe a safety PLC. I'm not sure about that one yet. But here's the basic screen I've come up with. This is actually the getting started screen for our HMI trainers. We have our start, which actually starts our fan right here. And then of course, we have a speed, which we can just input a basic speed on, or we can use the increase and decrease keys. And then we have a gauge right here that kind of shows the speed that it's currently going. So we start it back up. You can see it going up and it goes back down. Also right now we're pulling the bus voltage off of the PowerFlex drive. It gives you the motor volts and amps. Actually, if we run that back up again, sorry for the noise. Then you see the bus voltage goes down slightly and our motor voltage goes up and our amps are going up. And also I have this graph right here that tells you the speed that you're currently going. So we can show a little data logging, things like that. Right now I only have it a single basic screen, and I guess I could do multiple screens. But yeah, so just trying to figure out what all else should we do. Now I don't want to do a, hey, here's how to design an HMI screen, because one, there are too many opinions on that. I don't want to hear that I should be following the IEC 61131-3 protocol, or hey, make sure you do grayscale. In other words, I don't want to get into that. I just want to talk about, hey, here is how to make a functional HMI, and what functions, should we highlight in the video series. So in this case, yeah, we have basic, discrete, on, off, and obviously indicators of it. We're reading analog and manipulating analog values. We're doing some data logging, and we're showing some graphs on some screens. What other things do you think we should do? Put them down in the comments. I'm probably going to do this series here in the next few weeks, so think about it, and if anything else comes up, feel free to reach out to me. Till next time. Hi, this is Tim.
And this is Amber of TW Controls. We run the automation store. Hey, thanks for finding our channel.
Here's a playlist with some similar videos.
And YouTube thinks you'll like this video.
Please like our video and subscribe to our channel.
And if our videos have helped you make some money and you're not using our products, please consider supporting us on Patreon.
Till next time.
See ya!